Welcome to the home of the DIY movement, where we build stuff and paint things.
Did he say sand epoxy? Primer? Everyone knows you can't sand epoxy primer.
Yes, that's what he said. I don't think this guy knows what he is talking about. Must be a rookie.
What kind of cheap sandpaper is that? He is using it's not 3M. Everyone knows 3M is the best. Whoa, what the heck is he doing? He is scratching up all that black shiny paint.
That not paint. That is the epoxy primer he said he is going to sand.
Why isn't he wearing any rubber gloves? He is going to contaminate everything with his chicken grease fingers. Doesn't he know that he can do a lot faster using a de-sander? What kind of block is he using? Is that a Dura block?
No, that is a black diamond sanding block. Have you watched any of his videos? He always talks about the black diamond sanding blocks.
Wait a minute. Is this guy doing this on his back porch? He doesn't even have a real shop. Man, come on. What the I think he is using Sunmite sandpaper. It's pretty good stuff. I wonder what grit he is using.
He is using 180 grit Sunmite sandpaper. I think they sell it on Amazon.
This guy has some hairy arms. Looks like Teen Wolf. He sure does sand fast. It looks like turbo speed sanding.
You fool, he just sped up the recording to make it look like that.
What kind of car is that hood from? Looks like a Ford Galaxy hood or a Cadillac or something. Probably stolen.
You guys are killing me. That is Bobby's hood he is working on. It's from his 1962 Impala.
Probably found it in a junkyard, or maybe he stole it from someone. He should wear taller socks. Someone might roll up and do a sock check. That's how we do it in California.
You guys should just pay attention. He is block sanding the hood flat so that when it's painted it doesn't look wavy like the hood on your car.
I remember when they got this hood, the whole hood was covering A in Bondo. That's probably why it was free. Bondo bucket. Why does he have fenders laying in his grass and used tires on his back porch? Is this some sort of junkyard? This looks like a lot of work. He should have just taken it to a professional. They have big shops with big tools, they can do it better. Yeah, take it to a professional. They would use only the best tools, and they would do it in a real shop, not the back porch.
You guys are stuck on stupid. This is the home of the DIY movement. That means do it yourself.
He must have used some sort of cheap epoxy. You cannot sand the good epoxy. Primers, it will gum up the sandpaper and turn into a big mess.
He is using SPI epoxy. It is sandable. It actually sands great. Look at his sandpaper. It did not gum up. They have a website you can order it from. You should try it.
I don't know. I think I would have taken it to a professional. The shop down the street from me said they can paint the car in 3 days with a good coat of paint on it. There he goes again, rubbing it with his greasy hands. He should be wearing rubber gloves when touching the hood. Backyard hack. What the heck kind of hammers are those they look like? Harbor Freight hammers. A real professional would use snap-on hammers or DeWalt hammers. Yeah, DeWalt hammers.
Do you guys ever do anything besides watch videos and critic? Those are Harbor Freight hammers that get the job done.
Oh my God. Now he is putting Bondo on the hood. Doesn't he know that a real paint job doesn't have any Bondo on it? My car doesn't have any Bondo on it. None. Zero. Greasy hands again. I'm pretty sure this guy ate chicken wings for lunch. Now he just rubbed chicken grease all over Bobby's 64 hood. I think that's a 65 hood, not a 64 either way. Now it has Bondo on it. It's junk. Wait a minute, is he using a napkin to wipe the hood? Doesn't he know that a real professional would use a wipe-e?
You guys are killing me. He just sprayed wax and grease remover on the hood. Then he used a shop towel to clean it so there's no more chicken grease on the hood. Just pay attention. I think this guy might know what he is doing.
I don't know, I think I would have just sent the car to California to get painted, would have been nicer. And they don't use Bondo either. Is that a Vever gun? That is crap. I think they sell that gun on Amazon. I'm pretty sure it's made in China. He should have used a DeWalt gun or a Snap-on. Yeah, a Snap-on gun. Is he going to paint the hood black now? Where is the paint booth at? He doesn't even have a paint booth. Should have just sent the car somewhere to get painted. They would use a real gun, like a SATA. Yeah, a SATA gun, not this cheap China spray gun he is using.
You guys are clowns. It doesn't matter how expensive the gun is, or if it was painted in a real paint booth. You should try to do it yourself and save some money. Unless you like overpaying for things you can do yourself.
Looks like he is painting it twice. Should have just sent it to a real shop. They wouldn't have to paint it twice.
This isn't even paint. This is just epoxy. SP, I look at how flat that hood is. It's going to look great when it's done.
I mean, it looks okay. I know someone that could do it cheaper. Should have just sent it to California.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more work on this 62. Subscribe for more free information.